Two insurance giants, countless commercials, but only one can truly have your back. Which one really delivers? On one side, Progressive, known for its quirky ads and innovative tools. On the other, Allstate, with its strong legacy and famous promise that you're in good hands. Let's skip the marketing hype and dive into what actually matters. We'll break down the key categories, awarding points in each so you can clearly see which company comes out ahead. And the winner might just surprise you. Alright, quick lay of the land. We're gonna compare these two across 5 big categories: price, coverage and options, claims and service, digital tools, and reputation and financial strength. Let's jump right in. Starting off with price, because come on, who doesn't want to save a few bucks? Progressive is kind of the obvious pick for bargain hunters. They usually hit you with lower rates, especially if you bundle, stay safe behind the wheel, or use their snapshot program. But a little warning here, if you have an accident, your rates might jump a bit more than you'd see with other companies. Now, Allstate does have discounts and cool programs like Price Lock, but yeah, the base price is just higher for a lot of people. So if you're watching your wallet, Progressive is very tough to beat in this round. Alright, now let's get into coverage and options. With Progressive, you get all the basics plus a few fun extras like pet injury and rideshare coverage. But honestly, there's not a ton of different coverage tiers to choose from, so if you love options, you might feel a bit boxed in. Contrast that with Allstate and things start looking pretty interesting. They've got accident forgiveness, new car replacement, loads of roadside help, identity theft protection, the list goes on. And if you're thinking about bundling life or home insurance, Allstate totally shines here. Some of the add-ons aren't available absolutely everywhere, but still, Allstate really brings it home for coverage. Next up, claims and service. So Progressive makes filing claims online ridiculously easy, and that name your price tool saves you a lot of time shopping, which is awesome. The flip side? Their satisfaction ratings, especially from J.D. Power, are just okay, and I did see people grumble about their roadside service. Now Allstate, that's where you get super strong customer satisfaction scores, real agents everywhere, old school but personal. Sure, maybe it takes a little longer to process simple stuff and the paperwork can be a headache, but when you want a real person on your side, Allstate honestly takes the prize for service. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Back in 1954, Allstate actually invented the drive-in claims center. Yeah, literally the original fast claims stop. Kinda wild, right? Let's talk about digital tools for a sec. If you practically live on your phone, Progressive is honestly pretty hard to top. Their app is super user-friendly, uploads and payments are all digital, and you can even get mobile roadside help. The only thing is, they kind of push you to chat instead of jumping on a call. Now, Allstate's app is decent, it gets the job done, but there's just not as much packed into it. You do get a cool agent finder, but if you're into tracking every little detail of your claim from your phone, Progressive is just plain better here. Alright, last round, reputation and financial strength. Progressive, they're huge, totally stable, and have an A+ rating from AM Best. Safe, right? But here's the thing, their customer satisfaction isn't quite on par with Allstate. Now Allstate comes in with the same A+ rating, but honestly, when you're looking at customer happiness and just that AAA classic, trusted feeling, they kind of dominate. Been around for over 90 years, people trust them, period. Maybe a little nagging about upselling and prices going up at renewal, but as a brand, Allstate just feels a bit more solid here. So, looking at everything side by side, you can see where each company really stands out. Progressive dominates on price and tech, but Allstate absolutely owns it with coverage, reputation, and especially customer service. So, putting it all together, if you want to save money and you pretty much live online, Progressive is a super smart pick. But if you care more about deep coverage, talking to actual humans, and you like a company with a long legacy of actually paying claims, Allstate is honestly the way to go. Both have their quirks, but overall, Allstate pulls ever so slightly ahead, especially if service and coverage matter most to you. If this helped clarify auto insurance for you, go ahead and stick around, there's plenty more where this came from.